Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's recipe is quick and easy chicken pulao. So I'm going to show you step by step how to make this chicken pulao. It's quick and easy. So without wasting further time, let's just dive into it. Come on, let's go. So to make this pulao, first off, we would need rice, and I'm going to take 2 cups of rice here.
Look at this rice. I've given it a really good wash, rinsed it thoroughly and cleaned it over and over until the water runs clear. Now I'm leaving it to soak for 30 to 45 minutes before we cook it. So first things first, I'll wash the coriander really well. First I'll cut off the ends and then chop it up because I'm grinding it into a masala paste. Chopping first makes grinding much easier and gives us a lovely smooth masala we want.
So this goes in the grinder. 5 green chilies I've taken here. I'm going to add a teaspoon of cumin seeds and also a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 10 garlic cloves. Just going to add some water now. You need to grind this.
And there we go, our fresh coriander masala paste is all ready. This is exactly the texture we want, nice and smooth, not too runny, not too thick, just perfect. Alright, this is 1 kg of chicken. I've washed and cleaned it properly. Now I'm going to put in that fresh coriander masala paste we have just prepared.
Salt according to your taste. Don't add a lot of salt because I'm going to add Maggi cubes into this later on. Just let's mix this up. Let's just keep it for some time to marinate. You can just keep it for like a half an hour to marinate so the masala soaks into this chicken nicely. And whatever remaining masala which is left in the grinder, you can literally add it into the rice later on. I'll show you guys when to add this. Okay, so I'm not going to wash this off, so this is going to be used later. Okay, so I've taken 3 onions here. I need to cut them now. So I need to cut them half moon shaped. So that way. Guys, I'm literally crying after cutting the onion. Oh, I don't like cutting onion. I hate cutting onion so much.
Now into a hot pan, I'm adding 5 to 7 tablespoons of oil. Once this is nicely heated, I will pop in the onions and saute them until they turn mushy and slightly brown in color. Our onions are nice and light brown now. It's time to add our whole spices. I've got cinnamon, peppercorns, cardamom and some cloves going in. We'll keep sauteing everything together until the onion turn a rich golden brown. That's when the flavors will really come alive. Perfect, our onions are now beautifully rich golden brown in color. Now I'm adding the marinated chicken which I had applied fresh masala to and left it aside for half an hour. So the flavors have nicely soaked into the chicken. Here's the masala that was left in the grinder. Remember I said that we'll add it later. Now it's the time. Pour it in, mix it all up nicely. We are going to cook the chicken halfway through, just until it's half cooked. That's because we are going to finish cooking it fully later when we add the rice. So this way it stays tender and cooks perfectly all the way through.
Let's open up this and check whether the chicken is half cooked or not. And I can see that the chicken is almost cooked. So I'm going to add 3 cups of water to this. Add 3 Maggi cubes. Bear in mind there's already salt in there. If you add more Maggi cubes, it might be salty. We don't want that to happen. So I'm just going to stir this for a moment. So let's just cover it up for a little bit longer. Let's have a look. It's time to add the soaked rice. So I have drained the water and I'm going to add rice now to it. Let's just mix it up a little. Then close it and allow it to cook now. Now let us just open up and check just to make sure that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Let's open up and check that one more time.
And there we are, our chicken pulao is all ready. Look how beautiful it is. Every grain is so nice and long. It looks absolutely wonderful and it smells incredible. The whole kitchen smells amazing. Hope you guys like the recipe. Do give it a try and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me. I would appreciate the support you guys give me. Keep showering your love on me and I shall see you in the next video. Until then, do take care of yourself and bye.